Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we are going to try the Slush Puppie Teacakes. Now I've got two flavours. We've got the red cherry flavour and the blue raspberry flavour. Now when I was a kid, Slush Puppie was everywhere. You found it in newsagents, cafes, arcades, all kinds of places, and I actually used to really love them when I was a kid. But now they've branched out into foods, and you can buy those home Slush Puppie makers. I think I saw two, a big one and a small one, at B&M Bargains the other day. So we found these, and I thought I'd give them a try. So let's see what we think. Which one should we start with, Kel? You don't mind? Are you going to try them? No. Owen didn't want to try these today. He's not feeling too great. And to be honest, I'm a bit behind on videos for this channel because I wasn't very well for a little bit. So, they got a bit of a smell come off of them. Not an unpleasant smell. It's quite a nice one. Right, so that's what they look like. They look a bit different to the other normal type of tea cakes that you find. The normal ones are a bit smoother than this. Right, down the hatch. If there's a flavour there, it's very subtle. Let me take a swig of my drink. Let's try the blue raspberry. Right. Okay. First thing, got a very vibrant bit of colour in them with the red and the blue, but they don't actually taste much different, if at all different, than normal tea cakes, to be fair. The aftertaste I'm getting is the normal tea cake flavour. I'm not really getting... Let me try another one just to make sure. No, I'm try another blue one. Right, number one, they do taste nice, but the flavour of raspberry and cherry is so incredibly subtle that they don't actually taste much different to a normal tea cake. They're nice though, but they weren't packing the flavour that I thought they would do. I don't hate them. So what am I going to say? I think I'll give them a 9.5. And the reason is, they don't taste bad. They taste quite nice. There's 8 in a packet. There's quite nice vibrant colour to them. The flavour though just isn't strong enough. It's barely noticeable. So I'll give them a 9.5. I'm not going to be too critical. They do taste nice, just not over the top of blue raspberry or cherry. Would I buy them again? I can't remember how much they were, to be fair. If they were cheap, then yeah, I would. There's no problem with that. So yeah, if you're out there, give them a try. If you've tried them, let me know what you think. Are you getting a big strong taste of raspberry or cherry? Because I just didn't. It was just way too subtle for me. But they are nice tea cakes. They do taste just like normal ones. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Please let me know in the comments if you've had these. Let me know your memories of Slush Puppie. But for now, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.